So I was listening to this song by KO and STC, and I thought to myself, damn, I can make a better beat. Okay, hear me out. Firstly, I had to find the BPM and the key of the song, which is 119 and C sharp minor, respectively. I started the foundation of the beat with the brass from Sound Style Synth Edit. For a different section, I used the same brass but layered one single note. For a top liner, I used the same VST but a different preset. To give the brass some variation, I took the same VST and changed the preset to step brass, layered together with a staccato trumpet. I used channel panning controls to make the trumpet play from left to right. I layered these brass presets inside Expand to play as long notes in the background of the melody. I went inside Expand again and found this choir. If you are regular on this channel, you probably know this choir. I felt like the intro section of the beat could use with some piano, so I found this one inside Contact. Then after that, I did 3 instances of brass using session horns from Concept. I only had to change the section setup and the articulation for each instance. I also layered this bass as it plays with the piano section following the root notes. For a moment, I felt like the vocal was missing something, so I went inside Arcade and found these nice vocals. Now, for the hook section of the beat, I wanted it to sound different compared to other sections of the beat, so I added this choir from Trinity's CP Essentials drum kit. Link is in the description below. Now, on the second part of the verse, I layered these strings from Nexus, same presets, but one of these is on a lower octave. Now, into the drums. With the drums, I had to start with the hi-hat to capture the bounce that I was going for. Then after that, I layered a generic snare pattern. Now with the second snare, it gets saucy because it carries a lot of bounce. And after that, I went to the kick and 808. You know they gotta go crazy. I did some slides, but nothing complicated, because remember, we want to keep it as simple as possible because artists are gonna hop onto it. I wanted to add more to the high frequencies, so I added more hi-hats and open hats. Someone once said to me that silence is also an instrument in a song, so I did this section of the verse by cutting out some sounds and adding more slides to the 808. Now, which one do you think is the best beat? The original one or this one? Leave a comment below and share with a friend to get the FLP.
Ooh, I'm too much. Cuckoo, way too much. Man, mouth on the feet. Ooh, too much. Scoopoo, too much. Gogo, too much. Came from wins and losses. Haters make me nauseous. Riding around with my bros. Big design on my clothes. Made a lot for my shows. Too much. Riding around with my bros. Big design on my clothes. Made a lot for my shows. Ice white, Air Force Ones. Skipaning Naza, yes, Skhanda. Ikasapaka le lamba de stana. Skibela machasi from summer to summer. And mathematician is spanning a number. These bitches online me, they just tryna come up. Shorty, get tidy. Jelen, I believe we try to you. Tandu, nigga.